Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. What does the normally say shall never end? See, there is every reason why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst because here, I dey bring out the give una as it dey happen. See, this is information that a lot of people has been waiting for. In fact, people queue up as me and you dey talk because they want to know exactly what is really happening. Question like, Abba, will Nigeria government succeed by convincing the Finnish government to extradite the Biafra prime minister, the person of Simon Ekpa, to Nigeria? Oh my God, if this is possible, oh, I don't really want it. I don't really want it to happen because if the Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa is repatriated to Nigeria, oh my goodness, he is going to see hell inside the fire. And a lot of people were saying, oh, it pleased the Lord that they should repatriate Simon Ekpa back to Nigeria. He have to face the law. He have to come and do this bra. This is an information that has confused a lot of people. Why some persons are saying that never, it is impossible for Finnish government to release the Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa to the federal government of Nigeria. We say shun. Anyways, the Finnish government has not written or said anything concerning this issue. But today, finally, from the west side of the Finnish government, the information is out. Now they said breaking news. Finnish local investigator says Simon Ekpa has nothing to do with terrorism. Simon Ekpa lead Biafra Republic government in exile, has nothing to do with criminality. Abba. So for people who are having a sleepless night, saying that they don't know what is going to happen, since the Paske of the Biafra Prime Minister, they are not sleeping well. They are just thinking, oh my goodness, will the Finland government make the mistake of sending Simon Ekpa to Nigeria? If it happens, hey, 3 things is going to do 9 things. Now, let us hear from the Chief of Staff appreciating and sending a thank you message to the Finland government. Now, follow up. She said, thank you so much, the Finland government, for protecting our able Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, from the terror Nigerian state headed by President Tinubu, Musa, and Godwin Akpabio. As Biafrans all over the world, coverage in Finland coming week for the Biafra independence redeclaration, December 2nd. We wish to inform Biafrans that the Monday sit at home in all Biafra voluntarily agreed by all Biafrans must be maintained. We are so very proud of our Biafra Defense Force for what they do daily to wearing Nigerian Army and Police uniform. Thank you, Biafrans, for flooding the world with pictures, write up, and all the things that they are doing, Biafrans, by the Nigeria government. Finland received all the evidence against the Nigeria terror state of gross human rights violation, forceful disappearance of innocent citizens, disobedience of international and human rights laws, and killing of innocent citizens that march on the streets of Nigeria and Biafra land. See you all in Finland. Please support our independence and self-defense by donors. Now, this is coming to you from the Chief of Staff. She is not telling you that every message they sent messages, pictures, videos to the Finnish website, like to the Finland government president direct S handle. According to the Chief of Staff, said all those videos you people are sending there, all the informations, all the pictures, the write-up, the tagging about Simon Ekpa, his work and what he does. He said that the Finnish government put everything into consideration and gather the truth and evidence that of a truth Simon Ekpa is doing nothing wrong, that self-defense is not a crime, that he is just there to defend his people. Hey, no be me talk am. You heard it from the Chief of Staff when she was thanking Biafrans for flooding the world with pictures, write-up, and all the things committed by the government against the Biafran people. I am bringing this to you for you to know that nothing maga. For those of you that are saying that they are so scared for the Biafra Prime Minister not to be repatriated back to Nigeria, on a prayer say he don't answer. Simon Ekpa don't be on a prayer answer. The truth of the matter is, they will not repatriate Simon Ekpa to Nigeria because they have found nothing wrong with what he's doing. That means he's found not guilty. He's not guilty of the charge because they found nothing in him about the crime leveled against him by the federal government of Nigeria. So a lot of people are really happy towards the news of saying that the Finnish government will not by no means repatriate Simon Ekpa back to Nigeria because they said he did nothing wrong. All the evidence they sent against Simon Ekpa, Opioko. As I'm talking to you, they don't tear all the papers. The ones they send that Simon Ekpa na terror, is a criminal, is this, is that. They said there's nothing like that, that they have checked, they have seen the evidence, they've seen the truth, that everything they are saying is false, that Simon Ekpa is fighting for his people. Now, the Chief of Staff has also sent another message about sit at home, that the sit at home will continue. Hey, how many of you thinking that the sit at home will still continue as the Ekpaski Simon Ekpa? Did you believe this? But she is telling you that the sit at home must continue. Abba, I'm not the one that said it to you. You heard me when I was writing or reading from what she wrote. She said the sit at home must continue. And in the onset of Simon Ekpa, you know, she is the one in charge. So the message is still going on. She said the sit at home will continue. Finland conversion will continue. Everything will continue, that there is no going back. That is where a lot of people were really finding it difficult. Now they are not saying, oh my goodness, arresting Simon Ekpa will not help to fight against insecurity in southeastern part of Nigeria. Rather, is going to be more. It's going to be something else. I say, sure, this has been your heart desire. Your desire is to arrest Simon Ekpa or make Simon Ekpa out of sight. You don't want people to see him. It should not be coming on air because you guys said he's going to convince the youth of Nigeria to turn against the leaders if care is not taken or if Simon Ekpa is not properly handled. Now you guys have tried to make sure on Akpaskina from one place, and still you guys are still crying, saying arresting Simon Ekpa will not help situation. Now what do you people really want? What else do you want? Release Simon Ekpa, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, negotiate to say no. Abba, dialogue, you say no. What did you people really want? So my beautiful family, I said let me come and tell my family here because a lot of things they went on and never here, but trust progress the analyst. I will be bringing it to you back to back. This is every reason why you need to subscribe to this channel, because for here we dey talk am as e be. So thank you so much everyone for joining. Share this video. Thank you once again and bye bye.